SAP SD CIN Online Training. Introduction to SAP SD CIN. SAP SD CIN, an acronym for SAP Country Version India, is an add-on module specially designed for the sales and distribution (SD) module of SAP ERP. It caters to the specific needs and complexities of the Indian taxation system, making it an essential tool for businesses operating in India. When was CIN introduced? I am directed to say that it has been decided that all registrar of companies will allocate a corporate identity number, CIN, to each company registered on or after 1st November 2000. 2. The CIN has been designed to help easily identify companies belonging to a state, industry, ownership or age. Features of SAP SD CIN. SAP SD CIN, also known as Central Excise Integration for Sales and Distribution, is a module within SAP ERP specifically designed for managing excise duties in India. It helps businesses comply with complex Indian excise regulations by integrating excise processes with sales and distribution functions. Here are some key features of SAP SD CIN. Tax determination and calculation. Automatic calculation of excise duties. CIN calculates excise duties based on various factors like material type, excise group, chapter ID, duty rate, and availability of duty concessions. Flexible pricing procedures. Define complex pricing procedures with multiple condition types to handle various excise scenarios like sales from factory, depot, export sales, and stock transfers. Integration with FE. Excise duty amounts are automatically posted to relevant financial accounts, ensuring accurate accounting records. Excise document management. Generation of excise invoices. Create excise invoices with required details like duty rates, chapter IDs, and duty amounts for compliance with Indian tax authorities. Maintenance of excise registers. Update various excise registers like RG1, RG23A, and RG23D automatically to maintain track of excise movements and liabilities. Integration with J1IIN. Seamless integration with J1IIN ensures accurate calculation and reporting of excise liabilities in GST returns. Inventory management. Excisable and non-excisable materials. Categorize materials as excisable or non-excisable for accurate tracking and tax treatment. Stock valuation with excise duties. Account for excise duties in inventory valuation for accurate financial reporting. Special stock handling. Manage special stock scenarios like depots and consignment stocks efficiently with excise considerations. Key features of SAP SD CIN. Compliance with Indian tax regulations. Handles various Indian tax types like Central Excise Duty, CIN VAT, Value Added Tax, VAT, Service Tax, and others, ensuring accurate tax calculations and reporting. Integration with SD. Seamlessly integrates with the core SD functionality, streamlining sales order processing, delivery, invoicing, and other related tasks. Automate tax calculations. Automates complex tax calculations, reducing manual errors and saving time. Maintain detailed records. Maintains detailed records of tax transactions, facilitating easier compliance audits. Benefits of using SAP SD CIN. Improved accuracy. Reduces errors in tax calculations, leading to accurate tax reporting and compliance. Enhanced efficiency. Automates manual tasks, streamlining operations and saving time. Reduced costs. Minimizes potential penalties and fines due to incorrect tax calculations. Better decision-making. Provides valuable insights into tax data for informed business decisions. What is CIN in SAP SD? SAP CIN stands for Country Version India and is a feature of the SAP ERP application which enables companies to comply with Indian taxation and legal requirements. It is a local version of the global SAP ERP system, designed to address the specific needs of Indian businesses. Who should use SAP SD CIN? SAP SD CIN is ideal for any business operating in India that uses SAP ERP for its sales and distribution processes. This includes companies in various industries like manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, and IT. Getting started with SAP SD CIN. Implementing SAP SD CIN requires careful planning and configuration. It's crucial to involve experienced consultants who understand both Indian tax regulations and SAP functionalities. Here's a brief overview of the implementation process. Business requirement analysis. Identify your specific tax requirements and business processes. System configuration. Configure the SAP SD CIN module based on your needs. Master data setup. Maintain master data for customers, materials, vendors, and taxes. Testing and training. Thoroughly test the system and train users on its operations. By leveraging SAP SD CIN effectively, businesses operating in India can streamline their tax compliance processes, improve operational efficiency, and gain valuable insights for better decision-making. How do you maintain a CIN number in SAP? Go to User Screen Reference folder and include Users Consultant and save. Now you can see CIN Details tab in Customer Master tab options as under. Registration details pertaining to excise, sales tax, service tax, and withholding tax can thereby be maintained directly in Customer Master. Why choose SAP SD CIN? SAP SD CIN, which stands for SAP Sales and Distribution India, and Central Excise Integration, is an add-on module for the SAP ERP system that helps businesses in India comply with the country's complex indirect tax laws. It automates the calculation and reporting of excise duty, value-added tax, VAT, and other indirect taxes, streamlining the sales and tax processes for businesses operating in India. Here are some of the key reasons why businesses in India choose SAP SD CIN. Compliance. SAP SD CIN helps businesses comply with all applicable indirect tax laws and regulations in India, reducing the risk of penalties and fines. Accuracy. The module automates the calculation of excise duty, VAT, and other indirect taxes, ensuring accuracy and reducing the risk of errors. Efficiency. SAP SD CIN streamlines the sales and tax processes, saving businesses time and money. Visibility. The module provides businesses with real-time visibility into their tax liabilities, helping them make informed decisions about pricing, inventory management, and other business processes. Integration. SAP SD CIN integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules, such as SAP FE, Finance, and SAP Materials Management, providing a holistic view of a business's tax obligations. In addition to these general benefits, SAP SD CIN also offers some specific advantages for businesses in certain industries, such as manufacturing. SAP SD CIN helps manufacturers comply with excise duty regulations on raw materials, finished goods, and semi-finished goods. Trading. SAP SD CIN helps trading companies comply with VAT regulations on purchases and sales of goods. Services. SAP SD CIN helps service providers comply with service tax regulations. Additional factors to consider when deciding whether or not to implement SAP SD CIN. The size and complexity of your business. If you are a small business with simple tax requirements, you may not need SAP SD CIN. However, if you are a large business with complex tax requirements, SAP SD CIN can be a valuable investment. Your industry. Some industries, such as manufacturing and trading, have more complex tax requirements than others. If you are in an industry with complex tax requirements, SAP SD CIN can be a valuable tool. Your budget. SAP SD CIN is a relatively expensive investment. You need to carefully consider the cost of the software, implementation, and training before making a decision. Best practices of SAP SD CIN. Implementing SAP SD CIN, contract and revenue recognition. effectively requires following best practices to ensure smooth operations and accurate financial reporting. Here are some key areas to focus on. Configuration. Leverage SAP best practices. Utilize the available SAP CIN best practices for your industry and region. This provides a solid foundation and reduces configuration effort. Define clear scope. Carefully scope the functionality and processes you want to automate in CIN. Start with core functionalities and expand gradually as needed. Optimize pricing procedures. Design and configure pricing procedures to efficiently handle complex tax conditions and calculations specific to your industry. Utilize condition types. Employ dedicated condition types for taxes like JLST JCST instead of regular MWST for clear identification and reporting. Tax code differentiation. Define specific tax codes for different tax types, incoming, outgoing, to ensure accurate calculation and compliance. Copy controls. Set up appropriate copy controls between sales documents, delivery documents, and invoices to ensure seamless data transfer and consistency. Process management. Data quality. Maintain accurate and updated master data, material, customer, vendor, in SAP to ensure proper tax calculation and reporting. Document flows. Define and document clear workflows for contract creation, revenue recognition, and invoice generation to promote transparency and efficiency. User training. Provide comprehensive training to relevant users on CIN functionalities and processes to ensure proper utilization and avoid errors. Monitoring and reporting. Regularly monitor system performance and generate reports to assess revenue recognition accuracy and identify potential issues. Compliance updates. Stay up to date with relevant tax regulations and update system configurations accordingly to maintain compliance. Is learning SAP SD CIN useful? High demand. SAP SD CIN is a niche skill set that's in high demand, especially in India. Companies in various industries, such as manufacturing, retail, and pharmaceuticals, use SAP for their sales and distribution processes. With expertise in CIN, you'll be able to configure and manage the system to comply with Indian tax regulations, making you a valuable asset to these companies. Competitive salary. SAP professionals, especially those with niche skills like CIN, can command higher salaries than those without. According to pay scale, the average salary for an SAP SD CIN consultant in India is 7,31,168 rupee per year. Career growth. Learning SAP SD CIN can open doors to various career opportunities, such as SAP consultant, project manager, business analyst, and solution architect. You can also work in different departments, such as finance, sales, and IT. Steep learning curve. SAP is a complex software, and learning CIN requires a significant investment of time and effort. There are various modules and functionalities to understand, and you'll need to have a strong grasp of Indian tax regulations. Cost of training. Training for SAP SD CIN can be expensive, especially if you choose to go for a certified course. There are also cheaper online resources available, but you'll need to be disciplined and self-motivated to learn effectively. Job market competition. While the demand for SAP SD CIN skills is high, the competition for jobs can also be fierce. Make sure you have a strong resume and portfolio to showcase your skills and experience. Advantages of SAP SD CIN online training. There are numerous advantages to opting for SAP SD CIN online training, especially considering your location in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Here are some key benefits to consider. Flexibility and convenience. Learn at your own pace. Online training allows you to access course materials and complete modules at your own convenience, making it ideal for busy professionals or those with other commitments. No travel required. Eliminate the need to commute to physical training centers, saving you time and money on travel expenses. Learn from anywhere. Access the training from any location with an internet connection, making it suitable for those living outside major cities like Bangalore. Cost effectiveness. Lower overall cost. Online training often comes at a more affordable price point compared to traditional in-person classes due to reduced overhead costs for the training provider. Reduce travel expenses. Eliminate travel costs associated with attending physical training sessions. Enhanced learning experience. Interactive learning tools. Many online courses utilize interactive elements like simulations, quizzes, and case studies to keep you engaged and reinforce learning. Access to a wider range of instructors. Online training platforms often offer access to instructors from different regions and backgrounds, potentially providing a broader perspective on the subject matter. Flexible course formats. Choose from live online sessions, pre-recorded video lectures, or a combination of both, depending on your preferred learning style. Additional benefits. Updated course content. Online courses are often easier to keep up to date with the latest SAP SD CIN advancements compared to traditional methods. Access to recordings. Review course materials and lectures at your own convenience with access to recordings of online sessions. Networking opportunities. Some online training platforms offer virtual forums or communities where you can connect with other learners and industry professionals. Career opportunities in SAP SD CIN. A career in SAP SD CIN, sales and distribution with customer relationship management, offers exciting opportunities across various functions within an organization. It combines expertise in both business processes and technical knowledge of the SAP system, making it a highly sought-after skill set. Here's a breakdown of the potential career paths you can explore. 1. Functional consultant. Responsibilities: analyze and document business requirements, configure and customize SAP SD and CIN modules, provide user training and support, optimize sales and service processes, develop reports and dashboards. Typical career path: Junior SD CIN Consultant, SD CIN Consultant, Senior SD CIN Consultant, Solution Architect, Project Manager. 2. Technical Consultant. Responsibilities: implement and upgrade SAP SD and CIN modules, integrate with other systems, develop custom ABAP code, troubleshoot technical issues, maintain system performance. Typical career path: Junior ABAP Developer, Senior ABAP Developer, Technical-led Solution Architect. 3. Business Analyst. Responsibilities: gather and analyze business requirements, document and define business processes, bridge the gap between business and IT, participate in project implementation and testing. Typical career path: Junior Business Analyst, Senior Business Analyst, Project Manager, Product Owner. 4. CRM Specialist. Responsibilities: manage customer interactions through SAP CRM, analyze customer data, develop and implement marketing campaigns, improve customer engagement and satisfaction. Typical career path: Junior CRM Specialist, Senior CRM Specialist, CRM-led Marketing Manager. 5. Industry Specialist. Responsibilities: develop industry-specific solutions and best practices for SAP SD and CIN, provide consulting services to clients in a specific industry, understand regulatory requirements and adapt solutions accordingly. Typical career path: SD CIN Consultant, Industry Specialist, Solution Architect, Project Manager, Director of Industry Solutions. Salary expectation in SAP SD CIN. Determining your salary expectation for an SAP SD CIN role in India depends on several factors, including your experience. Entry level: 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, 3 to 4 years of experience. Mid-level: 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, 5 to 8 years of experience. Senior level: 10 to 15 lakhs per annum, 8 plus years of experience. Lead manager: 15-20 plus lakhs per annum, 10 plus years of experience. Your skills and expertise. Proficient in SAP SD and CIN modules. Strong understanding of Indian tax laws and regulations. Experience with international trade processes. Excellent analytical and problem-solving skills. Good communication and interpersonal skills. Location. Salaries tend to be higher in major cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi compared to smaller towns. Company size and industry. MNCs and large Indian companies typically offer higher salaries than smaller companies. Certain industries, like IT and pharmaceuticals, may offer higher salaries for SAP skills. Current market trends. The demand for SAP SD CIN professionals is high in India, which can lead to higher salaries. However, the economic slowdown might impact salary growth in some sectors. Additional factors. Education and certifications, example, SAP certifications, can increase your salary. Your negotiation skills can also play a role in determining your final salary. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP SD CIN online training? Choosing the right training provider for your SAP SD CIN online training is a crucial decision. While Proexcellency might be a strong contender, it's always wise to weigh your options carefully. Here are some reasons why Proexcellency might be a good choice, but also some key considerations to keep in mind. Reasons to choose Proexcellency. Expert instructors. Proexcellency boasts experienced trainers with industry expertise in SAP SD CIN. This ensures you're learning from professionals who understand the practical applications of the software and can share real-world insights. Flexible learning. They offer online training that caters to your busy schedule. You can learn at your own pace and revisit materials as needed. This flexibility is particularly appealing for working professionals. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses cover the entire SAP SD CIN spectrum, from core concepts to advanced functionalities. This ensures you get a well-rounded understanding of the module. Positive reviews. Proexcellency receives positive reviews from past trainees, highlighting the quality of their training and instructor expertise. Additional resources. They might offer additional resources like practice exercises, case studies, and mock exams to enhance your learning experience and prepare you for certification. Considerations before deciding. Compare with other providers. Don't limit your research to Proexcellency. Explore other reputable training providers offering SAP SD CIN online training. Compare their curriculum, instructor qualifications, pricing, and student reviews to find the best fit for your needs. Check certification alignment. Ensure the training program aligns with your desired SAP SD CIN certification, if applicable. Some providers offer specific courses tailored for particular certifications. Cost and discounts. Compare the training cost across different providers and look for any available discounts or scholarships. Technology infrastructure. Make sure the platform used for online training is user-friendly and reliable. Inquire about technical support availability in case of any issues. Personal learning style. Consider your preferred learning style. Some programs rely heavily on video lectures, while others offer more interactive methods. Choose a program that aligns with your learning preferences. Thank you.